y'all, it's Grammys. Welcome back to my channel. I have a little haul for you. It's on Tuesday, July 7th, and I stopped at Sam's Club to pick up my medicine. Got my medicine. And I thought, well, I'll walk around and see if there's any sales, and what did I really not need. But really, everything I bought is food related, so it's everything that I would eat. So first thing is I bought some more of the Archer grass-fed minis. These were $10.98 for 24 of them. That's pretty good. It was like $4 or $5 off. So I thought, well, what the heck? And then I wanted some more of these quinoa, red quinoa chia chips. These are so good. I've been out of them for a while, so I'm glad I remembered to pick them up. They're like $4.98. I think they're $4.98 a bag. And there is 1 pound, 16 ounces in there. They had their Tyson chicken is on sale. I picked up the strips. That's my favorite. This was $12.98 for 2 pounds. 3.5 pounds. They also had chicken nuggets, what I'm not a fan of. They had the teriyaki, barbecue. All the Tyson was on sale. And I found these. These are cheesy Southwest smoked sausages with peppers and cheddar cheese. And there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them in here. They're about the size of a brat. I think they were $9.98. That was a pretty good deal. And I picked up some more drumsticks. You get 16 for $10.98. At what is it, Walmart. I think they come in like an 8-pack and they're $9, so that's a really good deal. I picked up 2 more of my favorite salads. These Southwest, oh, I love them. These are $2.78 each. I picked up 2 of those. It's like this with these tenders. You cut up these tenders to put in your salad. Oh, so good. I can make 1 a bag for 2 meals if I add chicken. I can add any chicken, but if I add that to it. And I got this pork loin. Look at the glory. I'm pretty excited. This was $1.98 a pound. This one cost me $6.49. So it sounded like I said that pork loin was $6.49, but it was $16.49. I didn't know if anybody else caught that, but I just wanted to correct that just in case. Now, so excited. I cut this into about 1.5 inch slices all the way down, probably the end. I don't know what I'll do with the end. I'll probably maybe save the end. Maybe we can do like a pulled pork or something with it. But the rest of it, I'm going to slice up so I have boneless pork chops. I love these on the grill, especially this time of year. And I think I've done those for you. Oh, maybe I haven't. Or stuffed pork chops. I know we haven't done stuffed pork chops. But oh, I'm so excited to find this. $1.98 I thought was good because I think it's been about $2.80, $2.49, $2.89. So I was a little excited to see that. So I went ahead and picked myself up one. So for everything that I bought today, I spent $70.46, I think it came to. So I didn't think that was bad. I just thought I would share it with you. I hope you guys are having a great day. Joy Bubby's Grammy loves you so much. I'll see you soon. You take care. You be good, and you be good to your parents. Bye.